Hey guys, this is SploitX. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will see how we can create an onion link and host our website here. This is a website which I have downloaded and we will host it to our onion link. So let's get started. To host this website, let's open this website on our local host. For that we will open a terminal here. As you can see, there is a HTML page. Clear this terminal. Now we will start a server. For that we will use Python 3, and then we will pass a port here so that our website will be accessible on this address. Enter it, open a browser, and it will take us to our website. You can see our website on this localhost. Now we have to host this website to an onion link. For that we will start a new terminal here, and then we will go to cd /tor, list the content here. We have to edit this file, tor rc file. For that we will use sudo you can use any text editor, for example nano, vim, or mousepad. I will use Sublime. Password, and this section is just for location hidden services. You have to search this location hidden services, and on line 71 and 72 you have to uncomment it. Change this port as we are running on 9000. Save it. Close this. Now we have to start our Tor service. For that we will use systemctl status Tor. Our Tor is already running. We can stop it and then start it again. You can see inactive. We will run this service again. Start Tor. Check our status. It's active now. Now we have to see where is our host name or where is our link which we can use to access. For that we will go to cd. First of all we have to use admin rights. For that we will switch our users. So there is a simple command, sudo su. Now we are root here. Now go to cd /var /lib/tor /hidden services. Here we will list the content here, and here is the host name. We have to see what is in this host name here. So here is our onion link. We will copy it and we will check it in our browser. As you can see, we are not able to open this onion link. For that we will be needing a Tor browser. If you don't have a Tor browser installed, you can simply use this Tor browser launcher. Start this launcher and then you can install this Tor browser. I have Tor browser already installed. I will copy this link. We will open a Tor browser here. I will connect this. When the connection is successful, I can paste the link here and we can check if our website is working or not. Here you can see the title and our website is loaded. It is now hosted on an onion hosting. So that's it for today, guys. You have to practice and try if it's working or not. If there is any problem, please comment and I will try to resolve it. Till then, peace.